A lot of people have asked me to do an updated eyebrow tutorial, that they want to see how I do my brows. It's basically simple. All you need is your spoolie or eyebrow brush, whatever you want to call it, but it looks like this. You need your pencil. I use Davis in color 3, and you need your concealer. Basically I use Very Good now for now because I'm hooked on this, but sometimes I go back to LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, so it depends on you, anyone you like. Then I use my concealer brush, which looks like this. So I use this one sometimes. Basically I prefer this. I use this angle brush sometimes, but anyone you like, basically it's your choice. So you guys, I can't find my sharpener for my eyebrow pencil. I tried to steal my mom's own now, but her home doesn't have, so I don't know. I'm just tired. Oh wait, nope, that wasn't it. So we're gonna do the makeup like that. But basically, thank God this pencil is sharp. It's better for your pencils to be sharp. So let me stop talking and get into this tutorial. Yeah. So the first thing you do is brush your brows upward with your spoolie or mascara wand. Then you outline your brows, following the natural way your brows grow, or the natural way it's shaped. So usually what I do is that I start with a straight line going upward, as you can see, before getting to the arc. When getting to the arc, I draw a curve, then go straight down. That's the same thing I'm doing for the top part of my brow now, then joining the line together. Then for the top part of my brow, the front, I leave the front because I'll fill in it. Because I'll fill it in later and make it look natural. Because if I start drawing from the front part of the top part of my brow, it looks too fake, so I leave that part. Then when drawing, I draw my line of the lower lash of the lower part of my brow towards my nose. It gives an illusion of a more pointed nose, apart from your contour and your highlight. So I do the same thing for the other side of my brow. The lower lash first, the lower part of my brows first. Draw a straight line. Then on reaching the arc, I draw the curve and go down. Also for this top part of my brow. As you can see, I'm saying that I left the front part of the top part of my brow because I'll fill it in later with strokes. So I've reached my arc, so I'm drawing my curve and I'm going straight down. Brows are not hard to draw as far as you follow the normal brow steps and you draw according to the way your brows naturally grow. Your brows will be fine. Then make sure you draw straight lines that are blended together. Make sure your lines are joined together as you are drawing. So as you can see now, I'm filling in with strokes. I go in depth on the tip of my brow before reaching the front part. On reaching the front part, my strokes become lighter, so as to give an illusion of a feathered brow or make it look more natural. Same thing I'm doing. I'm filling immensely here at the tip. Then on getting towards the front, I'm filling in lightly. As you can see, I've covered that front part of the top part of my brow that I left before. So it gives an illusion of a feathered natural brow. Then after that, I get my concealer and I conceal. So it's not hard to do. Make sure you practice and you tell me how yours is going. If you have questions, ask down in the comment section below. So I'm using my Very Good concealer to outline the brow that I just drew. When outlining, I basically do the same thing. I'll outline the brow the same way I drew it. Straight upward line. Then on reaching the arc, I curve, then go down, as you will see me show here. But when outlining, I start from my arc first, towards my arc side. So I'll start doing my curve. As you can see now, I'm doing my curve, then going straight down with the concealer. Just outlining what I've already drawn before. This just makes your brow come out and makes it look very neat. So that's what I'm doing now. Then going straight down before I go towards the front, then join it with the line that is already in the middle. This makes it easier for me, so you can try this also and tell me how it is for you. So after doing that, or while doing that also, I blend my concealer down. As you can see, after doing that, I'm taking my concealer down. It helps with the blending, it helps blending more. So I'm just taking my concealer down towards my eyelid, because that part is even dark and uneven compared to the other parts of my face. So I just take my concealer down, and when applying your eyeshadow, this concealer on your lid makes it easier, makes your shadows pop, makes your shadows show, and it makes it better for you to blend. So it's a win-win. So I'm doing the top part of my brow now, going in with the concealer. That's the way I hold my brush. Then I do a straight upward line, following the way I drew the brow before, then doing a curve and going straight down. That's basically it. It's not hard, just practice. Practice makes perfect, so you have to practice more. Then I join the top part of my brow, sorry, the front, with the middle part that I've drawn. So on concealing, I also conceal the way I would draw the brow. Then I'm blending upward to make it easier to blend. And that's basically it. So now I'll do the same thing for the other part. This is how it looks like. So that's basically it. It's not hard to draw your brows. You first, let me go over what I've said before. You first draw the lower part of your brow, following the normal shape of your brow. You draw a straight upward line, then an arc. Once reaching this place, once reaching your arc, sorry, you draw a curve, then go straight down. That's basically it. Same thing for the other side. And make sure you measure your brows to see if it is the same and equal. Then you do the same thing for the top of your brows. And after concealing, you blend. I forgot to tell you what I used to blend. I blend with this type of fluffy blending brush, sorry, type of fluffy blending brush, or some people use beauty blender. Depends on anything, on what it depends on what you like. So I use this. Sometimes I use beauty blender, but basically this is what I use every time. So I just use that to blend the concealer I've already applied my brows. So that's basically it. Brows are not hard, and make sure you guys tag me in the videos you do, or if you try your brows, no problem, I'm happy to see it. Then you can ask any question in the comments below while trying. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like all this, and if you like my content, make sure you subscribe to see more videos on makeup, lifestyle, vlogs, and stuff like that. So yeah, until my next video, bye.